What is going on, guys? So I hope you enjoyed that little intro I made. Had a ton of fun making it. Guys, this little car is awesome. This is called a Carisma GT24 and it is brushless. So yeah, I went to the hobby store about a week ago and I was, looking for something new, looking for some parts for the SCXs, and this thing caught my eye. It was sitting on the shelf there. I started looking over the box, went back and forth, and I just saw, we got a brushless system in its stock. It's all-wheel drive. I mean, that's really all you need. I've always been interested in the micro scale stuff, and why not get into some cars? So this thing is insane. When I bought it, it comes with a 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery, which for those of you who haven't been in the hobby long enough, these are no longer the way to go. So I immediately ordered some little lipos for it. These are 2-cell lipos made by the same company, Carisma, for this little truck. And I threw one of those in there, and it is blazing fast. Way too fast to run indoors even. I mean, you can control it. You just got to be real careful with that throttle and do some indoor autocross. But anyways, I got to thinking, I'm like, you know what? This is all-wheel drive. It's an awesome little car. I wonder if it can drift. And I designed and printed these drift wheels, which you saw in that opening sequence there. It makes it a ton of fun, guys. One thing I did to help it drift too is I opened up the differentials, because it does have front and rear differentials stock, and I locked mine with some epoxy. So this truck has locked differentials. As you can see, when I spin one wheel, all 4 wheels spin the same. They have no differential fluctuation there. So mine has locked diffs. That may hurt the performance if you're trying to do some road racing and whatnot, but hey, I'm super happy with it. It makes it a little bit more fun to drive. Also, this truck came with all that rally art that you saw on the box there. I scratched mine up pretty good right after I got it, running it outdoors. So I peeled all the stickers off. I know, doesn't look as good, but hey, I think the look's pretty good, especially with the drift wheels. So I mentioned the drift wheels. You've seen the drift wheels run. Let's throw in a few clips of this thing without the drift wheels. I'm sorry about these clips. They are not the most fun to watch, but they kind of show you how fast this thing is. I couldn't really record it and drive it at the same time. So here's a couple of clips for that. So, as you can see, this thing is a little rocket ship. With the drift wheels, it's the ultimate indoor race car, in my opinion. Just a ton of fun. If you're into that kind of thing, I was curious if any of you guys may already own these, but I think it is the ultimate addition to a 24th scale garage, for sure. On top of all of our SCXs, you gotta have something fast. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. If any of you have one of these or are interested in a set of these drift wheels, just leave a comment, maybe shoot me a message. I'm not selling them yet, but if there's enough interest, of course I will entertain that idea. Thanks again for coming by. If you want to see me do anything special with this or any of the other trucks, you know what to do. Comment below. Guys, again, I cannot appreciate it enough that you come by, and if you stuck around this long in the video, please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. It really helps me out. I love seeing the numbers go up. It just keeps me going with this stuff. So thanks again. Have a great day.